Hi everyone. In this lecture, I will show you how to build a MySQL server container. In this example, we will use dbehavior to test our container. So before you follow along, please go to this web page to download and install it on your computer. Once you've finished installation, you are ready to go. Okay, let's get started. As usual, firstly, we need to obtain the image. Let's go to the Docker hub and search for MySQL. And we will choose the official image and copy the command. Next, we go to the VS editor and bring up the terminal. For Windows user, please open the WSL and right-click to paste the command and enter to execute the command. I have already installed the image. Let's have a check from the Docker desktop image. As you can see, the image already installed. So let's run it. As usual, the second step is to run the image. For the MySQL image, let's go to this document page. We scroll down and running MySQL here, say Docker secrets. We need to set up some environment. Let's do that. Run and give it a name MySQLServer, and the port I will give it 3307, and this one will be 330070, and the environment variable name is MySQL root password in uppercase, and the value I will just give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for testing purpose, and then run. As you can see, the container is up and running. Let's go into next. Our third step is go into the Docker container to create the database, to create the table, and to insert some records. So let's go into the container, open in terminal, log into the MySQL root, log into the MySQL server, and password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter. I will just copy these MySQL statements and paste. I right-click. Okay, and let's see. Select from country. As you can see, we have inserted 4 records in our database. Next, we will try to query the database from our local machine. To do that, please start the DBAver. I have already started, and this is the connection I added before. Let's delete it first. Okay. Let's create a new connection by click on this button and select the MySQL as our database type. Click on the next. And firstly, we need to go to the driver properties tab and driver properties tab and find the allow public key retrieval property, key retrieval, and toggle it to yes. And then we go back to the main tab. And for the database, I will just copy from here, database. Database. And for the port, we change it to 3307. That's the one we set when we start the MySQL container. And for the username root, we don't need to change that. For the password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's test the connection. As you can see, we successfully connected to the container database. Okay, and we finish. Here you see the connection is added. Let's have a look at the database, the Docker tutor we can see here, and the table, the tables country. Let's try to query from this table by go to SQL editor of the DBAver. Click on this one, open SQL script, and select from country, and click on the triangle to execute the MySQL. As you can see, we can query the database from our local computer. The results are the same. This is the result we query within the container, and this is we query the database from our local machine.